Hello.
Hi.
Hi, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, that's perfect. So, can we start now? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, it's
It's
perfect.
my
That's good.
Lucy.
Okay, that's good to hear. So, for tonight, let's start. For this activity, let's learn another word. So, please read start here.
Okay. Okay. Oh,
Yes, this is number one is
boring sticker, meaning a package. By gas. Watching TV, book, still a internet.
okay, we have buying sneakers, mailing a package, playing catch, watching DVDs, borrowing books, and surfing the internet. Okay, so these are the different words together with the different pictures. So now let's have the letter B. Please read. It's Sunday.
Convey.
Yes, can you
It's
read?
Saturday. It chill math a book every day. Biết dạ phải where they this storm. What
All
were
right.
they doing there?
Very good. So it's Sunday. The children met in the park again this afternoon. Where were they this morning? What were they doing there? Okay, so that is for the short story, which is they went to the park during afternoon. Okay, so next one, please read. What
Yes.
was?
Hmm.
Yes,
Star
can you read?
story. Watching TV.
Okay. What was she
Start.
doing? Okay.
What you see? What they doing the afternoon? See that they that
All right.
billboard and more.
Okay, very good. So this is how we're going to read this sentence. So we have what she doing this afternoon. She was buying boots at
See
the
that?
mall. Okay. The second, what were they doing this afternoon? They were buying boots at the mall. Okay. So next one.
See ơi.
Okay. It's all about a trip to the strawberry farm. Please read.
Okay. Last where it went to a strawberry farm with my family. We felt a lot of red strawberries. Strawberry are only food we see on the bush. I want pink strawberry in one now. My bottle and a pet in the instant brown. I am watching my bottle storm. He's a big strawberry, but he a cancer.
Okay,
Big
how about this one?
rare, big air honestly. Okay.
All right, very good. So now let's try to read again. Just a recap for the different words. So this is how we're going to read this. This is last weekend.
Last weekend.
Strawberry farm.
Strawberry farm.
Picked. Picked.
Big.
Right.
Right.
Picking.
Big pen.
Brother.
Brother.
Parents.
Instant.
Watching.
Watching.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Usually.
Usually.
Eating.
Eating.
Okay, perfect. How about this one?
Okay.
This is
We looked him how and made strawberry jam and strawberry ice cream. It's a full new big brown on his hand.
okay, very good. So this one, we took them home and made strawberry jam and strawberry ice cream, and it was fun. So these are the new words: picked, ripe, raw, only, and seeds. Okay, so let's proceed now the questions. Where were they last weekend?
Có thể Bi đây
What
là
should
hai
be the
bầu luôn.
answer?
Sao Bi lại nhiều sticker con gái nữa?
Yes, what's your answer? Where were they last weekend?
Where is the last week?
The answer is
A at the strawberry farm.
very good. Number
B
2.
at the food story.
Um,
What's
there
that
is
he borrowed doing? Bull strawberry.
okay, buying strawberry. Very good. Okay, so we picked a lot of ripe and red strawberries. So what does this mean? A, B, or C? It's letter.
We picked at the long right red strawberry.
Okay, good job. Next, do you like strawberries?
Yes, yes.
Okay, are there a lot of strawberries in your refrigerator right now?
Okay.
Are there lots of strawberries?
Yes.
Okay, I see. What's your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruit? Yes, can you tell me? What are your favorite fruits? Your favorite fruits are?
Food.
Yes, can you tell me what are the fruits that you like? Do you like apple? Do you like apple?
Yes.
Okay, I see. All right, so how about this one? This is
Yes.
a strawberry. Number 2. Number 2 is a star. Okay, that is a star. Number 3, it's a stripes. Number 4, yes, number 4 is star. Okay, very good. Number 5, number 5 is
a star.
string. Okay, it's a string. Okay, again, this is strawberry, star, stripes, store, and string. Okay, how about this one? Please read.
Okay. Strawberry.
Strawberry. Okay.
Strawberries.
This one.
Family.
Families. This one.
Cherry. Cherries.
Cherries. Very good. Okay, perfect. Next, please read.
Mình đọc cái trên đề bài
This
là
one.
ánh sáng mặt trời.
Can you read? Start here.
I were you ready? Not yet. At a minute. Why? I think I got to the something. Annie. Did you put some price? Yes, I did. I put it on. Did you turn off the radio? Yes, I turned it off. Okay, you ready? Oh no. Now it rains. What? I got to tag on my watch. What? How is I walk to?
Okay, very good. All right, so next, let's have another new words.
Và anh cái này đáp học
Put on
của cháu
sunscreen.
đáp học lại. Và turn on light. Turn on the TV. Take off your watch. Turn off the radio. Xem nào.
Yes, what's the next? Turn on.
Turn on your head. Free up your room. Turn down the music.
Okay, so we have here, put on sunscreen, turn on the TV, take off your watch, turn off the radio, turn in your homework, turn up the heat, clean up your room, and turn down the music. Okay, next. How about this one? Please read.
Tom the tune on the radio. Đi ơi. Đi ra đây cho bảo. Tom. Tôm nè, có tôm ở trong đây. Tom can home and tune on the radio. Tune on the radio. Tune on the radio. Tom can home and tune the radio. Tom turn the radio on. Tom can home. Tap the DVD. Quá chưa? 450. 450. 4. Put on the DVD. Put on the DVD. Paul can home and put on the DVD. Panlu put a DVD on.
Okay, that's perfect. Very well said. So let's try to read again. This is Tom.
Họ trắng, mắt xanh không?
This is Tom. Can you repeat? It's
Ai
Tom.
300.
It's Tom. Can you repeat again?
Okay.
It's Tom. This one.
Yeah.
Tom
Tom
turned radio came and Paul. Okay, very good. All right, next. This one, please read.
Walk wicked, walk so bigly, but beautiful. Ceylon, then gone, please.
Okay, so let's have to read again. Okay, so let's try to read again. This is walk quickly.
Đọc là
Walk quickly. Walk slowly.
Slowly.
Speak loudly. Speak loudly.
Speak loudly.
Speak quietly.
Like quietly.
Paint beautifully.
Make beautifully.
Dance gracefully.
Less gracefully.
Okay, perfect. So next, please read.
Khi nào con thỏ nó xanh cho em.
Can you read again? It's Kate Scott.
65. 5 phải là 5. Castor and Jenny at on foot. Rock then race. How do support? Em biết con Shimamoto là con gì?
All right, very good. So Kate, Scott, Andy, and Jenny are at an outdoor fair. So Kate dances gracefully. So how does Scott paint? Okay, so Scott paint beautifully. Okay, so how about these words?
How do cat dance? See them get quick, quick, quickly, so, beautiful, beautiful, low, low,
Okay.
fresh, they beautiful,
All right. So we have here quick, quickly, slow, slowly, loud, loudly, quiet, quietly, beautiful, beautifully, graceful, and gracefully. All right, it's perfect. Okay, next. My friend Joey is
My
very
friend Joe and very slow. My friend Joe is very slow. He talks slow, very slow. He walks slow, very low. Ooh, Joe, let go. My friend Joe is very low. He is slow, very slow. He walks slow, very slow. He very low, very slow. Hurry up, Joe, let go. My friend Rick is very quick. He talks quick, very quick. He walks quick. Oh, very quick. Slow down, Rick, slow down.
Okay, very good. So who is
My
very
friend
slow? Who
is
is very
very
slow?
quick.
It's who moves very slow? It's Joey. Okay, how about very quick? It's
Bảo anh đi nhá, chị không biết. Chị đang hỏi.
his name is
Rick.
Rick. Okay, Joey moves very slow, but Rick moves very quick. Okay, very good. Next, this one. Please
Play
read.
a guitar. Play MC. Ride a monkey. Bake. Cook. Seal.
All right, so we have here play the guitar, speak English, ride a unicycle, bake, cook, and sew. Okay, so next, please read.
Okay. Cat, Danny, sock, and Rhea are sock. What do they do with?
Okay, Kate, Jenny, Scott, and Andy are in a show. What do they do well? Next.
Cat, eat, cook.
All right, how about this one?
Cat, then walk, and play, big, play. We slow, we are beautiful.
All right. So we have here talks, dances, walks, paint, plays, speaks, rides, makes, quick, slowly, quietly, loudly, gracefully, beautifully, and well. All right, so we have here different pictures. So what do you call, or can you tell me in this picture, what can you see?
Yes.
This one is?
Down.
Okay, what can you see in that picture?
Okay.
You can choose your answer here. You can choose your answer for A and B.
Okay.
Okay, just tell me what is this? It's all about paint. All right, how about this picture? All right, how about this one? Okay, this one. All right, very good. How about this picture? Okay, and this one? Perfect. Okay, good job. All right, you get the correct answers. Next, do you speak loudly or quietly? Yes, may I ask, do you speak loudly or quietly? Yes, can you hear me? Do you speak loudly or quietly? Yes, your answer is?
I don't know.
It's okay. How about, do you walk quickly or slowly?
Quickly.
Okay. All right, so next. A tornado in a bottle. Please read.
Yeah. A chicken is ballista.
Yes,
The
please
car
read.
and house is an alligator in the house.
Okay, next one. You can.
Okay. We can.
Yes, continue reading.
Yes. We storm in the farm. Hey.
Yes. Continue. Start here. You can.
And you can make a omelet in a bowl. He how to do it. YouTuber. Water is one the pot. Put half on the mouth the ball. Make a home. Tap the neck of the pot. Stick together. Turn over the teeth in a bowl. The kid water in a pot. Circle you again to see the camera. Nó phải này nha. Cách làm nó phải. Hay đó.
All right, very good. How about the new words?
Xoáy xong mình nước vào. Không, đầu tiên mình lấy một cái
The new words are?
mình quấn vào như này ấy. Lấy hai cái chai á. Còn mình đầu tiên là
The new words
là
are?
đổ nước, lấy một cái chôn đổ nước cắm vào xoáy.
Yes, can you read?
Nói ra nước xoáy đây là người ta dạy là
Can you read this one?
Liêu của Tho Lo phải lấy hai cái chai và lấy băng dính. We know home like this. Nhưng mà Bi có băng dính và chai đâu mà là.
All right. So we have tornado, storm, wind, model, hold tightly, tilt, and swirl. Right? So these are the new words with the question. Does tornado move slowly?
No, automatic love like yes, it do.
Okay, how about the second? What can a tornado do?
30 phút rồi. 9 9 giờ
What can
30
a
luôn rồi.
tornado do?
Bạn là 1 tiếng. Một câu học có 30 phút. Đâu? Tép gần 2
Yes,
phút.
what can a tornado do?
Đến tomato. Hey, what can a tomato do? Big of house. We blow my water. Cô giáo đi ra.
Okay, very good. So next, this one. What does swirl mean? Is it A, B, or C?
Người ta ê. Bạn. Rồi, đầu tiên.
Yes, what does swirl mean?
Peanut butter and circle.
What is the correct answer? Is it A, B, or C?
Không phải mình làm trong chai thôi. Yes.
Yes, your answer is letter A, exactly. All right.
What is a tomato? Oh. Tomato.
Yes, what is a tornado? And what does the tornado move? It looks like okay, it looks like twirling in a bottle. Okay, so this one, what do you call this? It's a tilt. Okay, this one is a tilt. This one cold, quilt, old, and belt. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. So that's all. And thank you so much for joining the class. See you again. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. See you again.